htj.tax, the international tax firm for 6, 7, and 8-figure investors and entrepreneurs who are living that international life. Are you ready?
Next question. Where should I set up an offshore company? I don't know. I guess, people, it's natural because every time, like if you watch some spy or some show or some movie, they talk about offshore accounts and offshore companies and dodging tax. Or people think that you just set up an account and with a company that's incorporated in some far-flung island and you automatically are going to get some sort of tax benefit. Because of something called economic substance and then permanent establishment, it doesn't work like that. Perhaps historically it did, like back in the 80s and maybe 90s, it was a thing. You could do that, but definitely not now. And I know movies glamorize it, but it really doesn't work that way anymore. So in order for us to advise, or anybody, not just us, anybody to advise you on setting up an offshore company, I guess presumably just a company in a jurisdiction other than the one in which you reside, we need to understand the business model. We need to understand the supply chain, where your employees, where is your warehousing, where's your data processing, where are you as the key decision maker. And we can recommend a structure that is compliant with the rules and hopefully will be tax optimized. But the idea, especially if you're a US person, it'll be very, very hard for you to pay zero taxes. It's possible. I've seen it. I have clients that do. I have clients that pay as much tax as they choose to, but it is a result of a lot of tax planning. And, I consider myself part of what we call the income defense industry. So you need to get some really heavy hitches from the income defense industry to help you set something up like that. But I've seen it happen. But it's not as simple as just going online, forming a company in island XYZ with a bank account and ta-da, you're going to be saving. No, especially as long as you have that US passport. It really doesn't work that way. I spoke to you earlier about the assortment of deferral tools, tools that the IRS, Internal Revenue Service, has for people who want to defer paying taxes using foreign companies. I mean, we have subpart F since the 1950s and 60s. In the 1980s, the pfec regime was created, and under President Trump, we have the GILTI regime. It's not that easy. It's super difficult.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.